Hi guys, today I'm going to buy my sister's birthday. Yesterday it was her birthday, so today I decided to go and see her. So I went to this shop, it's called Signature Cosmetic. So they normally do the gifts, perfumes, roll-on, body spray. Today I was looking for a birthday gift, so I asked this lady, can you show me a very nice a birthday gift that I can give to my sister, because it was her birthday yesterday. So she decided to choose this one as I was paying. So guys, if you're looking for a place or a shop, you've got a friend or someone who have got a birthday, or someone who you need to bless, please go to this shop. It's a very nice, very affordable shop that you can buy a gift. Yes, you can even buy a gift card so that they can come and choose on their own. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So on this video you can even find foundation, makeup things, makeup kits. It's also there, you can find it. So I went there showing my sister I bought you a gift. So guys, natenga gift yake. So I was walking, then as I was walking back, I was like, oh, I'm sure she's gonna like the gift that I bought. We were rushing to church. It was early in the morning. It was Sunday in the morning. So we were rushing to church. So firstly I went to church. As you can see on this video, I was sitting in the church. I didn't wanna shoot the video. I was sitting in the church, and then we were going to her house to give her the gift so that I can go back home, because we stay very far to each other, so whenever we really see each other. Happy birthday, dear Nyaru. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Yay, mommy. Ooh. Wow. Give it away. Thank you so much guys for watching. My sister, she was so happy. She loved the gift. I wish I could have done big, but she loved it. Thank you. Bye.